Hello everyone! Today we'll be creating a spring floral wall decoration. For this craft you will need spring flowers. I'm using some that I picked up at my local Michael's store. You will also need clear glue. We will be using the glue to fill the glass jars in this craft. You will also need 1 small wood plaque, 2 small glass jars, twine, hot glue, and floral snips. I will be using 2 fruit spread jars, so if you have any smaller jars around, this would be a great craft to use them in. If you're ready, let's begin. Okay, so we're starting off with the glass jars. You'll take your twine and you'll wrap a section around the top section of your glass jar. Once you have done this, you'll go ahead and apply some hot glue so that the twine can stay in place. Take some scissors and go ahead and cut off any of the extra twine. Next, cut a strand of twine and tie it around the top section of your glass jar. After you have done so, tie a knot. You will repeat this step on your second glass jar. Take the 2 ends of your twine and begin to pull the twine through the gaps on your wooden plaque. You will repeat this step for your second jar. Take the two ends of your twine and begin to pull the twine through the gaps on your wooden plaque. You will repeat this step for your second jar. Next, tie off the two ends of your twine on the back side of your wooden plaque. This will help to keep your glass jars secure and in place. Take some of your hot glue and add a little behind the top section of your glass jars. This will give your glass jars an extra hold. Next, using your floral snips, go ahead and start cutting your floral in the stems. You'll want your floral to be just long enough to fit on the inside of your small glass jars. Now take some of your clear glue and pour it on the inside of your glass jars. Once you have done this, take your flowers and add them on the inside of your glass jars. Once you have allowed the glue to fully dry, you're ready to display your beautiful floral hanging wall decoration. I hope that you have enjoyed this simple DIY project. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you decide to create your very own. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY projects. I'll see you soon.